And with that, we shift gears, talk about the weather a little bit. And Albert's watching some rough weather kind of roll through the Dallas area.
Yeah, we've had heavy downpours all day long. And the good news is now that the sun is set, the atmosphere is cooling. Therefore, the atmosphere is becoming more stable. But even though the severe weather risk is decreasing, we're going to pivot to a flash flood risk in the overnight. So the ingredients in place. If you're in Texas, if you're in Oklahoma, Louisiana, Arkansas, it has been so hot, it has been so humid. A front is coming in from the north. That is a trigger ignition in the atmosphere and fires up these showers and thunderstorms. So the good news is no active severe thunderstorm warnings right now. There are still some strong thunderstorms back off towards the east and southeast of Amarillo. Heavy downpours down to the south of Dallas and Fort Worth, which will be continuing to track across North Texas over the next several hours. And this is an area that has already seen 2, 3, 4, even 5 inches of rainfall just in the last 24 hours, and we're expecting even more. Flash flood warning remains in effect for Denton County for a little bit longer because of the heavy rainfall from earlier today. So the front is a slow mover. It's moving down to the south, and as it does so, those opportunities for showers and storms continues, not just tonight, but again for tomorrow night, and all the way into Thursday morning. So Little Rock, Dallas, all these areas that you see in green under a flash flood watch until 7 a.m. Central Time on Thursday. Let's take you hour by hour. We'll take this future radar to midnight and notice the heavy downpours, North Texas and even some sneaking into Central Texas by overnight into the early morning hours for tomorrow. And that front continues to slowly sag down to the south. So with daytime heating, another opportunity of scattered showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. How much more rainfall? Look at this, isolated amounts in North Texas. 4, 5, 6 inches of rainfall on top of all that rain that we've already seen in North Texas. So the flash flood concern high now through at least Thursday morning. We'll be keeping an eye on that. We'll go from rain to snow, and we'll take you to Colorado, the first snowfall of the season. At least the highest peaks east of Reno, reports of 4 to 6 inches, just a little bit of dusting for that part of Colorado. The first of many snow events, I'm sure, head your direction over the next several months. So if you're feeling the heat in the desert Southwest or the South, that's just for you to cool down this evening.
Rob can't wait for our Chicago winters.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. As excited as I am about this show and this job and how wonderful you all are, my one fear was moving to Chicago and dealing with the winters, these legendary Midwest winters. I detest the cold and snow and puffy jackets and scarves and seeing your breath in windshield. So I want to savor every hot, humid day here in August and September that we get.
Wait till your first polar vortex.
See, I don't know.
Isn't that what it's called, Albert?
Yeah,
Yes.
just wait.
Can't wait.